Namaskar. In this particular session, what I want to cover is a very interesting and important topic in Power BI. They have just newly added this feature called narrative. What is narrative? Suppose just consider you have a report, you are preparing a report, and on that report you have placed one chart. Multiple charts will be there. Not to worry. For one chart, I want to display a text, fixed text. Now, if someone clicks on a particular thing, say for example, I have a bar chart, and on that bar chart, someone will click on a bar, then automatically the text will be changed. Exactly, that is what I want. I'm looking for that particular thing. Now, for that, let's jump into our screen and see how we can achieve that, right? Okay, so for that, let me jump into the screen, and here our favorite tips dataset is already added. So let me quickly take a stacked column chart, and in the stacked column chart, I need sum of total bill in y-axis, and the gender wise I want to see the data, so I'm taking it in the x-axis. So I have that how many male customers came and what is the total amount they have paid, and how many female customers came and what was the total bill in USD. Now for that data, yes, definitely I can figure some text over here. Also, I want a small text box over here. Hopefully you can see the way I'm hovering my mouse here. According to your requirement, you can place that thing in a different position. Now here you go to this visualization bar and see there is a small new visualization component called narrative. So without wasting time, just come to narrative. I have made a mistake that was selected, and I double clicked on this narrative. Again, come back, place the cursor outside of that so that narrative will be placed. Fantastic. When narrative will come in the screen, report screen, then you will see two options. One, Copilot and with custom. If you have Copilot license, enterprise license I'm talking about for Power BI, then definitely you can go with this Copilot. And if you don't have that, if you have a free version also, and make sure you are logged in, then what you can do, you can click on custom, and custom narrative will be generated for this particular chart, and it's a fantastic thing, right? Okay, now you select this, you can resize, and you can go to your format text box. You can see title, effects, so everything you can set. Say for example, I want a light background shade for this. Yes, it is done, and I want this data to be bold. Okay, so let me make it bold. Let me make this also bold. Fantastic. Now I don't want to do anything else apart from this as of now. Yes, it's basically your thing. Do experiment and change the way you that to be presented. See, sum of total bill for male is equal to this much dollar was higher than female, so it is giving a plain and simple narrative. Now male accounted for this 67.46% of the sum of total bill, and female had encountered some part of it. Now the interesting thing is, if you select a bar, when it will be displayed in a browser also, then if male is selected, only male part will be displayed. If female part is selected, only female part will be narrative will be given. And if you double click on that, then automatically again both will be displayed. Hopefully you all have enjoyed this particular thing, and if you have liked it, if you think that it can be usable, then please use it, and also let me know in the comment that how you have used it. Thank you very much.